piercing करेंगे, shots करेंगे, navel shots करेंगे. तो हम रुको.
Did you do any?
No, I didn't.
Because she was not lame.
I was too hot.
अरे वो मे बी सिल्वर गर्ल ही है यार. तू चुप रहे.
You give damn like Delhi.
Wow.
When there is a lot of people at home and you're the one who's sitting on the chair and one of your parents walks in, you have to get up.
Yes.
So my father walks in.
She's like, who's your father? This is so funny.
This I don't relate to.
And then also I did this thing very briefly, okay, from college. It's very embarrassing. But I was like, नहीं मुझे भी हिंदी सही से नहीं आती.
Oh.
And then my school friends were like, इसको English सही से.
Hi guys, I'm Dhritika.
I am Zia.
I'm Srishti.
And I'm Samara.
And we are Besharam. Hello, Samara.
Hi, Queen.
Oh my god, it's so adorable. I mean, I've seen your work and I know that like Instagram, you're popping off right now. I love your fucking reels.
Thank you.
So much. And you know, we've established that, you know, we connect on a lot of things,
Yes.
which we won't speak of right now because I don't want to dox myself. Maitri, our producer, has warned me we cannot dox myself anymore. We cannot dox ourselves anymore. But yeah, we have so much in common, Samara. Please tell them what you do, where they can find you.
I'm a stand-up comedian and you can find me at my home most of the time. But also Instagram and my is मेरा नाम ही Samara. तो आप SUMAIRA डाल देना, मतलब मिल जाऊंगी मैं आपको.
Is the spelling an issue?
It is. People actually spell my last name wrong, Sheikh, because there's so many spellings.
SHEIKH.
E is what they put, but my
A,
it has
AI.
A.
It's not SHAKE.
It's not E. No. It's A.
Sound like a Kit Kat shake?
It's not a kid. Oh, it's not.
Sorry.
But I don't mind it, you know. I'm like, it's okay only as long as you whatever. But the thing is that yes, we do have a lot in common, and also I have been seeing your reels a lot on my Instagram as well.
Thank you so much.
Which is something I told them that I like every time I see one.
Then not force her.
Yeah.
We did not even pay her, I promise.
And they're very funny. I genuinely wanted to come on this podcast. Like, I met Maitri,
Yes.
your producer,
Yeah.
and she said, "Will you do this podcast? We are Besharam." And I said, "I know them. I'll come. I know. I of course know them." And she was like, "Okay, cool."
No, coming from a comedian, that's always great to hear
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
of just how much hate we get on like dank meme pages.
Yeah.
And I know that's just sound and it's not sustainable.
background
and
noise.
They just love fucking hating and they somebody said this, right? I think Akash Mehta said this.
What?
They are in the comments because they don't have the balls to be in the reel.
Or be in front of
Yeah.
the camera.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's
yeah.
why they're in the comments. So it does not phase us that much anymore. But have you faced like criticism of that sort?
All the time. The thing is, right now I have reels on my page where one reel keeps getting hate, and then I muted it for some time, as in the
Okay.
comments. And then I went back and I unmuted it, saying that it's
'Cause
okay.
engagement.
'Cause
Yeah.
engagement. And then the same thing started again, like the cycle of hate. So basically, the reel is about I talk about, and I forgot what the joke was also. I think it was something about my parents. And I say something about mera baap. Like I say the words baap. And then all the boys have gone, respect your father, Randi.
Oh my god.
And I'm like, okay, you're teaching respect, but you're also calling me the R word. I don't know. I mean, sorry, beep it. It's very triggering.
yeah.
But then it's just all that, like, आपके बाप को तो आपको मार देना चाहिए था. And I'm like, how are you teaching respect to me?
And these are the same kind of men who will call their male friends by their mother's name.
Yeah.
Or like refer
Yeah.
those kind of words
Yes.
in a derogatory way to their friends.
Yeah.
Can I
Yeah.
tell you something also? We have had like certain comments like that and we've muted certain words and
Yeah.
certain versions of words, right? Because we don't want that stuff. We are quite young. Our parents watch this
Watch
stuff.
this.
And it's very triggering. Maybe to us, we understand it's internet hate, but they are way older than us. They do not
Yeah.
understand this world.
And they're too new to come across terms when it's so personal to them.
Yeah.
And people have like spelled these words out with GIFs. With like the R, A, and like people are committed to this shit. I
Yeah.
mean, I don't mind 5 new comments, honestly. It doesn't matter if it's a GIF.
Absolutely.
But it's just like, you know,
But you know,
the
even
things.
after a point it gets to you also.
Yeah.
At one point in the day, you will just go through them and you'll be like, what the fuck, why the fuck am I even doing it? But then again, you just have to realize that these are just nameless, faceless people, and just does not fucking
You're
matter.
absolutely right. When you're the most every day you are fine with it actually.
Yeah.
And when you're most vulnerable or you've had a bad day is when all of it, like you're like, okay, this also I have to go through.
Exactly.
So yeah, it does get to you
Absolutely.
in your most vulnerable moments. And you're right, they're all faceless people. You go to their profiles and they are like with 2 followers or 3, and some of them are
Yeah.
fake profiles.
Most of them are fake.
Most of them are fake.
The
actually.
ones that are calling you Randi or whatever are the same ones that are in your DMs asking you out.
Yeah.
And it's
yeah.
just so fucking horrible.
Yeah.
It's insane. They are attention seekers.
Yeah.
But that's
sure.
something that I have in common with them, honestly.
Let's go.
Listen, this episode today, I know that, you know, it takes a lot for a woman to put themselves on the internet, knowing the things that we go through every single day, and it is every woman, like, trust me, to some extent. But we're just such, I mean, I'm talking for the 3 of us, correct me if I'm wrong, but we are such attention whores. I love a good dose of attention. I love a good validation. I mean, if I am saying something and 30,000 people are watching it, that's a good day.
Yeah, that's a great
That is a
day.
great day, actually.
Absolutely.
I'm saying whack shit. I'm saying unfunny shit. I'm putting out my astute observations. I am an intelligent woman, and I am going to seek the attention
Right.
one way or the other.
Absolutely.
I love attention.
Same, I do.
Tell me more.
I of course love attention. I mean, आपको पता नहीं, मुझे लगता है मेरा प्रोफेशन स्टैंड अप कमेडियन है, तो मैं
Yeah.
माइक्रोफोन में बात करती हूँ हर रात को जाके. So of course I love attention.
And you've got a live crowd, which is
Yes.
crazy. I mean,
How does that make you feel
Yeah.
when like so many people laugh at your jokes?
It does. It generally is one of the best feelings, and every time it doesn't like get old. Like it's not like, oh, now you know, like, okay, when you smoke. Okay, I used to smoke. And then those hits, you know, start getting like having less effect
Less,
on you.
yeah.
But
Less
like
of-
laughter, that doesn't happen.
It doesn't
Like,
get monotonous.
I've been doing it for like 9 years now.
wow.
That's crazy.
Yes.
So
and
you're fucking seasoned.
I mean, I would like, please come to my shows and
Yes,
I'll
please
tell
do.
you I am seasoned. But yeah, basically, it never gets old. Every time there's a laugh, and especially if there's laugh on new joke is when it really hits hard.
Yeah.
Like the first time you're telling this on stage. But also there's the opposite effect also where there is no laughter, because that also often happens.
Yeah.
Every
Definitely.
comedian goes through that. And that also hits every time. Like you feel like I won't feel bad this time, but then I mean you learn how to deal with it better as with time goes. But yeah, both hits are very high and very low. So I feel
You also seem to me the kind of person that would kill at a house party. Like genuine, because I see a little bit of myself in you, and I know chota muh badi baat,
No.
but Sushi and I were talking about this yesterday,
Yeah.
and there was this one house party that she was talking about her college friends, and I was also talking about like this house party that I was at, and it was like 1 a.m. I had like these senior boys from my college.
Nice.
And they were there was a point in the night where they were in a circle around me, and I was saying stuff, and like these almost stranger men were laughing at the
Yeah.
things, and I have this happened in May.
Yeah.
I still ride that high.
Bro, same.
Like
same.
so validating, dude.
Very
is,
fucking
it is.
validating. So this other time, we are all sitting, like I was at my uni. I just completed my course and I've come. I was at my uni, and we all used to sit down at night. If we didn't have anything to do, we would just like chill, play cards and all of that. तो हम लोग बस ऐसे बैठ के बातें कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे का मजाक कर रहे हैं, and then एक बहुत serious point आ गया that these guys have found some drama, and these boys, they love drama, okay? उनको gossip बहुत ज़्यादा
Yes,
पसंद है.
yes.
तो वो ऐसा बात कर रहे कि भाई ये तो इसके बंदे के साथ घूम रही है,
Right.
और वो तो उसकी बंदी के साथ घूम रहा है, तो मतलब चल क्या रहा है ऐसा कुछ. और फिर मुझे पूछा कि सृष्टि व्हाट डू यू थिंक, इनका मतलब सीन क्या चालू है. मैं देख छोड़ना, अपने को क्या, अपने को बस पानी निकालना है. ब्रो, ऑल ऑफ देम हैव लाफ्ड, men have laughed. I still can't get over it.
But I also didn't see it coming, so I was like, what is she gonna say next? अब वो आपको पानी निकालना.
You've had instances like that where you've had like this unexpected crowd just give you so much attention. You're like, wait, am I God?
Yeah, it does happen. So the thing is, okay, I come from a very funny family. So in my family, actually, so friends party, yes, I mean, all comedians also, yes, I mean, I'm having fun and I'm the
Correct.
one who's making jokes. But in my house, actually, my mother is the one who's making all
crazy.
the jokes.
Wow.
Yeah,
Same.
she's insanely funny. And the thing is that my mother has this thing that I don't have, the talent of impersonating people, which I can't do. Like my mom exactly same आवाज में निकाल के
Wow.
बताएगी कि वो आया था घर पे और फिर उसने ऐसे बोला मुझे, and then she'll become that person for 5 minutes, very animated.
Wow.
And my father like tries to match up her jokes, and then he's like, no, she's the funny one actually.
Yeah,
You know,
he's
she's
just
the-
killing
We
the vibe.
love a man.
like, go ahead. मेरे भी बहुत funny actor. And my father keeps telling me, okay, whenever I put reels like, so तो ठीक है, लेकिन अनीसा अगर stand up कर दी तो ज़्यादा better होता है. And I'm like, I know, but आपने ही allow नहीं किया तो ठीक है. आपके 3 बच्चे थे तो ये मेरी गलती नहीं है कि feminism late आया.
No, I can relate to that because my dad is the funny one. Like,
Yeah.
I get a lot of my
Okay.
humor from
From
him.
him.
Like yesterday, we had a lot of guests at home, and you know, you come from a Muslim family,
Yeah,
like you
yeah.
get it when there is a lot of people at home, and you're the one who's sitting on the chair, and one of your parents walks in, you have to get up
Yes.
because you gotta let them sit.
Yeah.
So my father walks in.
She's like, what? She's like, who's your father? Her face was so funny. She was like, and the funny thing is that she was relating.
अचानक से unrelated से हट गया.
This I don't relate to.
No, I have been beat because of this.
Oh my
Okay.
God, yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
you know, मेहमान है घर पे, सारे chairs ले ली और how dare you sit on a chair and your father standing?
Yeah.
Hi.
You know.
Absolutely. dude.
So my father walks into the room. There's no other seat. I scan the room. There's no other seat. So I get up, and I was like, "Abu, बैठो." And Abu was like, "नहीं, तुम बैठो." I was like, "नहीं, Abu, you sit down. You're like a father to me."
आप एकदम आपका ही घर है.
आपका ही घर है. It killed. And he was also telling us, because I made that joke, he was like, yeah, she gets it from me. So there was some dude that was at the mosque, and he asked my dad के यहाँ पर बकरा कैसे चल रहा है, meaning what is the rate of mutton.
Yes.
My dad goes 4 पाव पे.
That's basic dad humor.
Basic.
But it gets to you on levels you cannot imagine it would. Yeah, bro.
So I get my lame side from my dad. But yeah.
I try to like I said, like the craft of impersonating तो मेरे में नहीं है, तो I lose. I mean, also my mother's actually more than funny. She's very muuphat. She's a very muuphat person, and actually मुझे मेरी माँ को देख के अक्सर लगता है कि वो 12 साल की लड़के के जैसे एक्ट कर रही है.
Wow, I need to meet Anisa.
अनीसा इज वेरी, मतलब हर टाइम शी खुजली मचते रहती है, कुछ तो बोल दूँ किसी को कुछ बोल दूँ तो वो बहुत तरह से रूड हो जाती है कभी कभी. बट इट्स ऑलवेज फनी, लाइक शी रियली लैंड्स हर जोक्स वेल, लाइक इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक टाइमिंग इज वेरी गुड.
Crazy.
सो लाइक जैसे मेरा कजन आया और उसने कुछ बाल ट्रीटमेंट करवाए थे, लाइक ही हैज कर्ली हेयर, सो ही स्ट्रेटन देम, एंड सो नाउ हिज कर्ली हेयर वर लाइक रियली लॉन्ग एंड इट डिडंट सूट हिम. सो देन he walked in and my mom was like, ये क्या करवा लिया? And then he was like, ये whatever treatment. And मेरी मम्मी ने एकदम फटाक से बोला, लेकिन शक्ल भी तो देखनी चाहिए. And there were 25 people, like the whole family, and everybody laughed. That is what made it worse. Like everybody laughed at him.
That
And
is
then
humiliating.
Then he was just like, oh god.
गलत जगह आ गया.
Dude, you know what I find the funniest is my mom trying to talk to a waiter. So my mom, she is the Maharashtrian. Like, we are a Maharashtrian family.
Nice.
This is a secular friend group.
Yeah.
Very secular.
Very secular, bro.
And we are a Maharashtrian family. In fact, my mom, it's kind of difficult to speak to people in Hindi.
Okay,
She
okay.
doesn't usually talk Hindi much
Right,
because
right.
everyone in the house speaks in Marathi.
Correct.
She talks to everyone in Marathi. So whenever we are going out and she's speaking to the waiter, it's the funniest thing to listen to. हाँ तो वो ऐसा डालने का, फिर वो उसको मसाला में परतने का. Bro,
परतने का.
it is too fucking funny. I love it. I love it.
No, it is. The thing is that moms are very funny actually,
Yeah.
because they are so frustrated also with life.
Yeah. They need to have some outlet.
Yeah.
They
And
need it.
Like
I mean,
this.
also, how can you not be funny if you had a whole person walk out of your body?
Oh, for sure,
Like, how
yes.
can that experience not just change you as a person? Like, of course, आपको फिर घंटा फर्क पड़ता है life में. आप भगवान हो ना, like मतलब
Exactly.
Quite literally, yeah, absolutely.
आपने life दी है
आपके
भाई.
हस्बैंड का भोगदान ही कितना था? No trust. Like, as a father, मतलब
Yeah. In that
Yeah.
process,
Sorry.
actually.
I don't want to say it because मतलब बाद में मुझे ही गाली पड़ेगी इसकी रील कटेगी तो.
Yeah, and then fathers don't do it. I told you already क्या होता है. बाप पे मत जाना.
हाँ,
किसी
नहीं,
के भी बाप पे मत जाना.
Exactly.
अपने भी बाप पे मत जाना
अपने
भाई.
बाप पे भी नहीं जाना.
हम अटेंशन की बात करते हैं.
Let's go.
क्योंकि हम फादर्स की बात कर रहे हैं.
Attention.
Attention, I think बचपन से ही because me being the youngest in my family, मैं joint family में मैं youngest हूँ.
Oh my god.
तो मेरा सीन थोड़ा अलग सा ही है. मतलब मुझे इतनी अटेंशन मिली है जिंदगी में कि like I go outside and I wonder why people are not worshipping me.
Nice.
This is confusing.
I love
Like
it.
somebody love bombs me, I'm like, I get it. Like
You
of
have to
course
keep doing it.
yeah, I mean this is expected.
Because the family loved bomb you.
Yeah,
like,
that's the bare minimum at
Bare
this point.
fucking minimum, right? So growing up though, like the whole time it was like I got a lot of attention in my home, but that made me like not have friends in school because nobody gave a fuck.
Yeah.
Right?
I
'Cause in school nobody
relate to
cares.
it actually. It's so weird, but I do
Tell.
relate to this. It's because I come from a family where I have 2 brothers and I'm the only girl.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's the same with me.
It's the same with
Yeah.
you. Yeah. So my father was just like, so my father is the typical कि male कि मैं तो अपना प्यार सिर्फ औरतों को ही दिखा सकता हूँ. तो उन्होंने प्यार से मुझे अभी मुझे problematic लगता है, but बचपन में तो मैं बहुत ही kill कर रही थी अपने घर में.
Right.
जैसे मैं तो
You were the household celebrity.
I was and then I used to मेरे दोनों भाई डरते थे मुझसे कि I used to मैंने अपने बाप का नंबर याद कर लिया था जब मैं 7 साल की थी तब से.
Oh, boss bitch.
बॉस बिच एंड आई वाज लाइक तू जानता है मेरा बाप कौन है तेरा बाप भी है साले and I used to just keep calling my father and he used to take it very the thing is that my father is not taking this as a joke that मुझे कॉल आ रहा है अपनी बेटी का अरे ठीक है he used to take it very seriously and he used to come back and with all seriousness he used to be like आपने इससे रिमोट क्यों छीना like to my brother so he was genuinely very scared of my father and I took full advantage of it and I feel really bad
As you
about it.
should. No, as you should. Why not?
But
I तो love
Yeah.
it.
Having
My
a
father did
sister,
that.
we just established कि ठीक है दिन में मैं देखूंगी रात में वो देखेगी.
Oh, yeah,
हाँ.
sister.
I had a sister.
I have a sister. Have.
You, yeah.
No, we just fight. We like properly fight. Me and my younger brother, we fight. Like
Nice.
we मतलब पूरा
WWE.
हाथापाई चलती है.
Good.
Yesterday I was slapping him so much, but
अरे बाप रे.
he's gotten so like
Strong.
strong. Yeah.
Yes,
Now
yes.
he's taller than me and
Yes.
all of that. भाई
Yeah.
मेरा हाथ सूज गया मार मार के. फिर मैं जब कोम लेके आई तब वो भाग गया.
That happens. That happens with younger brothers where you're so used to hitting them.
Yeah.
And then they hit 15 and whatever at like the growth spurt.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then dude, you have that realization.
Like,
अब
sorry
कैसे
भाई.
मारूं मैं?
yeah, how will you?
भाई आके बैठ जाता है मेरे ऊपर. क्या
fuck.
क्या ही करूंगी मैं?
That happens. That happens.
But
yeah, yeah.
me
Yeah.
growing up and maybe even now I've never been someone who enjoys attention. I am also the youngest
You are in your house.
sibling and the youngest child in my entire family. But attention बहुत मिला. Don't get me wrong. मतलब but attention मुझे वो मिला है जो bully करके प्यार दिखाते हैं ना.
हाँ.
मुझे वो वाला टेंशन मिला है
Right,
कि
right.
सब आसपास एक मतलब हम सब एक रूम में बैठे हैं और सिर्फ मेरी ही ले जा रही है. हाँ. भले किसी और ने कुछ बकचोदी किया या कुछ किया लेकिन एट द एंड घूम फिर के सारा टॉपिक मैंने क्या किया, मैंने 10 साल पहले क्या फुद्दू चीज बोली, फुद्दू चीज की, उस पे मेरी हर every time there's a family coming over or not even entire family, even if it's just one of my brothers or my cousins who coming over, it always circles back to what
With-
I
with
did.
us also.
Yeah, with these guys
with
also.
the four of us also, he's the butt of the joke.
Yeah.
I've
Every
always
single time.
I've always been the one who's been bullied.
Okay,
So I've gotten that kind of attention all along. But other than that, also I've never been someone who's like craving attention or like I don't. To each their own. I'm not like shaming people who like attention because
Of course.
you do you, babe.
Bitch, you can't. Like, I'm right here.
Yeah, no, all three of you enjoy attention. Even Sanjana, I know for a
Exactly,
fact.
yeah.
But speaking for me personally, I've never been the person कि मुझे attention दे दो यार. But I have done certain things only for the sake of my validation.
Right.
Yeah. forget about people not noticing me. I'm going to do this because I want to feel like मैं भगवान.
Can you remember an
100%.
instant?
I think all of us have gone through this. Visiting your school after your boards.
I have
The
not still.
I've not done it. I mean, now, yeah.
Yeah,
because I
but-
work as an intern in my
Your
school.
school only.
Yeah. So
okay,
that's why I visited school, but I'm not a fan of it.
But like you didn't go after your results came out and everything?
No. Like, I don't give a shit.
Oh no.
also don't.
I haven't even gone and met my teachers. Like, no teacher has had an impact on me. Like,
yeah, no.
It's a shame you so much, no. It's-
Yeah.
I mean, at
Convent
least
school
my
तो
convent
कुछ
school.
बोल ही नहीं सकते.
Yeah. But what were you saying that?
she,
Oh, yeah.
हाँ.
So बोर्ड्स का रिजल्ट आया मतलब ठीक ही क्या था लाइक आई गॉट 86% नॉट दैट मच बट आज लाइक अब मैं जाकर ऐसा मतलब बॉस बिट जैसे एक्ट करूंगी कि सुनो बच्चों 86% लाया इतना भी कोई भारी भरकम पढ़ाई
Right.
नहीं किया और मार्क्स मिल रहे थे
Right.
एंड देन यू नो व्हेन यू गो और फिर टीचर क्लास में पढ़ा रही है और फिर तुम एंटर करते हो फिर टीचर बोलती है ये तो हमारे एक्स स्टूडेंट्स हैं इनसे टिप्स लो कैसा पढ़ना है क्या करना है और फिर मतलब तुमने कुछ झंडे नहीं गाड़े
Right,
तुमने
right.
कुछ टिप वगैरह फॉलो नहीं करी है बट
Absolutely.
तुम्हें बस जो वो पावर ट्रिप मिलती है ना
Of a senior.
स्कूल में जाने के बाद ओ हो आई रियली मिस दैट
Could
फीलिंग
not be me,
Could not
honestly.
be.
we would
Same.
like after school we would like not all but like some of us would like make plans कि चलो आज स्कूल जाकर आए.
This
Bro,
is Dritika's
art
tell-all on how she's lame.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I am.
But I agree.
I am.
What I agree with her is that your teachers do act different after you pass out.
Oh, yeah.
Which is कि you know it's
Yeah,
like कि अब movie खत्म हो गई है अब मैं villain नहीं. It's like why were you always a nice person?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why the fuck did you have to do that?
Yeah.
मतलब
Why
मेरी
did-
वर्दी में कुछ गलत है क्या?
Why did you have to tell me that my dress is too short?
Absolutely. And
Yeah,
what,
man.
मतलब I'm like 9. Why would I care genuinely if it's
In a
short or
girls'
not?
school.
Yeah.
In a girls' school.
Not that it matters what men think.
Yeah.
Or what you wear?
What you fucking wear? I'm fucking 9. Don't fucking objectify me.
Yeah,
The
man.
fuck?
Absolutely.
Anyway,
yeah. No, I also don't like my school because मेरी school के भी यही सब चोचले थे.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You know, I have had teachers pull up kids in between lectures saying कि कल आप कॉल कर रही थी किसी को PCO से हमने देखा हमको किसी ने बताया कि आप कॉल कर रही थी and then I'm like I mean how do you know if the person is not calling their parents? First of all, they can call whoever they want. They're outside school. But then you know that also became an issue. So our school was lame into 1,000. Like just 1,000. Like I think
You
मेरा
had
जो
spies outside school.
हमारे जो बच्चे थे उसमें से आधे बच्चे स्पाइज हुआ करते थे दे वुड जस्ट कम बैक टू एंड रिपोर्ट एवरीथिंग टू क्लास टीचर्स की दिस पर्सन डज दैट ये बाल खोल देती है अपने बाहर जाके लाइक हाउ डू यू व्हाई डू यू केयर व्हाट अ पर्सन इज डूइंग
What are
आउटसाइड
you
स्कूल
saying?
Yeah,
This
yeah,
is
yeah.
dystopian as fuck.
इट वाज रियल आई डोंट नो हाउ इट इज नाउ बट व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल मेरा तो पूरी जिंदगी मेरे 9 साल गिल्ट में गए पता है आप
मैंने बाल खोल दिए. Fuck.
अभी मुझे डर लग रहा है कि कोई टीचर को कॉल आ जाएगा कि आप यार बेशरम में चले गए आप
नाम भी ऐसा है.
बेशरम भी बुला रही हो अपने आप को कॉन्वेंट स्कूल्स आर द वर्स्ट द
Are the
अमाउंट ऑफ
worst.
गिल्ट दैट दे
Absolutely.
Inculcate
I agree.
in
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
तो मैं पागल हो गई थी जब मैं कॉलेज गई थी
Same.
मैं पागल हो गई थी
मुझे तो ये क्या है? मैं डर गई थी पता है
Yes.
लड़कों से like there
yes
were
yes
people
first of all you are scared of boys you think कि अगर ये पागल है तो मैं pregnant हो जाऊंगी मैं pregnant हो जाऊंगी
see that was not it for me specifically. I was not there were men that I was not even attracted to but I was
Right.
like you know if I had the balls I would have been friends with you
100%
but I can't approach you. I
100%.
don't know how to do it.
you don't know how to talk to male because if
Yeah.
you spoke in my school around then they would be like कि अच्छा ये सब हरकत है आपकी मेरा भाई है वो अच्छा अपने भाई से बात करोगी
स्कूल के बाद में भाई से बात कर रही हो
Very bad.
या अभी मुझे समझा है कैसे बात करते हैं मैं मजाक के अलावा 15 साल की थी जब स्कूल खत्म हुआ
Right.
मैं 21 साल की हूँ कितने साल लगे मुझे
21 साल
Yes, correct. You're
Yeah.
very smart.
तो
हाँ स्कूल गई
ओहो अब आगे कुछ आ रही हो मैं स्कूल गई थी और
मुझे
पता
30 साल लग गए।
नहीं जाना चाहिए था actually. Now that I think about it नहीं जाना चाहिए था बट हाँ अभी मुझे थोड़ी सेंस आई है कैसे लड़कों से बात करते हैं पर पहले मुझे अटेंशन चाहिए था
राइट
एंड अटेंशन कैसे मिलता था वो 15-16 साल की उम्र में हमारे टाइम पे Instagram. ठीक है. And Instagram पे like your first like initial posts are simply for attention.
Right.
Like it's in your hall. You've done your makeup for no reason. You don't know how to do your hair. You've worn your best outfit, which is like the most ugliest thing ever. And you've set up your iPhone 6. This is so like this is exactly happened. Like I am not making this up. This happened. You've set up your iPhone 6. You have blue hair because of course you've got out of a girls' school.
You need to go all out.
I had red hair. So
You
go
had
for
red?
it.
Lovely.
Different houses.
My dad didn't let me.
But you will soon. You have highlights.
Highlights.
Don't worry. Because you were in a girls' school, babe.
इतना ही allow करते हैं.
उसके बाद सब करेंगे, piercing करेंगे, shots करेंगे, navel shots करेंगे. तुम रुको.
मेरे ब्लू थे, संजना के पर्पल थे और नीचे के किए हमने क्योंकि वो मम्मी को भी पता ना नहीं अच्छा नहीं लगा तो काट देंगे.
God, I also had
काट लेंगे.
And I thought read it out right after my break. Please continue so I can tell you. My era was not the Instagram era, babe.
Achha.
Mine was the BBM era, babe.
BBM.
It's the BlackBerry era.
Yeah. तो हम जो पोस्ट था वो डालते थे, वो उस पे 2-3 कमेंट आते थे and that was simply for attention. But I have archived these posts. Of course, I've fucking archived these posts. But they are tough to watch. They're genuinely tough to watch. And I want to know if you have access to your BBM.
No, I don't.
Oh my god. But can you remember an instance that was embarrassing or attention seeking?
So BBM में ये हुआ करता था जो अभी भी Instagram पे है where you can put the song that you're listening to.
हाँ हाँ.
So
Yeah.
BBM had live कि आप अभी सुन रहे हो और वो चल रहा है. So people used to listen to cool songs because people were watching what you're listening to quite whatever. तो मैं तो सारे and I didn't even I listened to it but phone लगा के भी कि ये playlist चल रही है and like just वो चल रहा है वो background में मैं बर्तन धो रही हूँ. Not even listening to it but at least मेरे college के बच्चों को लग रहा है कि मैंने 5 Bruno Mars के गाने सुने. कितनी cool है यार. इतनी cool है यार. I'll catch a grenade for you यार.
Yeah.
So just also okay. I met my ex in college wala boyfriend on BBM only. So
You could meet people on BBM.
they would send a request. It was exactly like Instagram.
मुझे नहीं पता ना, मैंने नहीं यूज किया. क्या तेरे पास था
But
BBM?
पता था that you could because many people have told us.
मेरे
Anyways.
मम्मा के पास था.
हाँ बोलो.
आंटी कहाँ किसको मिली?
मैंने
पापा को.
मैंने सुना वो किशोर कुमार के गाने सुन रही थी.
You were friends with her mom.
I was friends with her mom. as
किशोर
well.
कुमार and Kumar Sanu.
And Kumar Sanu songs. No, so whatever, like he sent a request and I didn't accept it because you know good girls don't. I'm from convent also, don't tell me.
Yeah, yeah.
So first I panic only. So I was like, no, of course not. You're a boy. You're a boy. And then again he sent, and then I was like, I think we should accept Khalid.
It's crazy because उनको वो सब चीजें सिखाई नहीं गई थी जो हमें सिखाई गई थी. हमें सिखाया गया था कि नहीं बात करनी है लड़कों से और लड़कों को ये सिखाया ही नहीं गया था कि लड़कियों से बात नहीं करनी.
वो तो कर रहा है.
वो तो भाग रहे हैं.
So you're in this shock के wait, everything is wrong.
It is.
So wait, everything is a lie.
That's true. That's true. And
फिर उसके बाद
like should I, मतलब my boyfriend, so then we
Yeah.
started talking on whatever and then we met, like he came to a college fest. It was so college. He
Yeah.
came
Which fest can I?
Casey.
Kiran?
Casey. Sorry, not Kiran. What's the
Blaze.
other? Blaze or Blitzkrieg?
Blitzkrieg.
Blitzkrieg. I think.
Blitzkrieg, okay.
He came to Blitz. He said, okay, so if I'm going to this whatever, and I'm also coming with my friends, so we'll just meet there. I said, okay. This is the first time he doesn't know this. This is the first time, and I'm acting like तो मेरा like 15th guy है. 15th में तो
हाँ
बहुत
भाई.
लड़कों को से बात
अभी भी लाइन लगी पड़ी है ब्रो.
भाई मेरे cousin देखा है. इतने सारे. He has no clue कि I have no clue how to talk to a boy.
इसीलिए
okay?
वो लड़कों से बात नहीं करने दे रहे थे ना, अपने कजिन से बात नहीं करने दे रहे.
घर घर में हो जाए तो सॉर्ट है.
Exactly. अब मैं अपने कजिन से बात करूँगी तो शादी किससे करूँगी? यार guys. Muslim moment.
Muslim moment.
Love it.
घर आप
Continue.
बचपन में ही घर घर खेल लिया था.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा real हो गया.
So then he came to Casey, and then I started like, I'm not kidding, this is a very embarrassing moment. But then I was is running away. I didn't, because like I said, I have no social skills to talk to a boy. So he's trying to like, "Ki aap kahan ho? Like, where are you?" And I'm like, "I'm here only." And I can see him searching for me, and I'm just like, I don't want to talk to him. And then my cousin जो लड़की है, she studied in KC, and she was like, "I think you can talk to a boy. It's fine. You will not like die immediately.
You won't get pregnant.
You won't get pregnant. That's not how it works."
Yeah.
And I was like, kya? Then I spoke to him. It was a very innocent love. Like the first, I remember this because itna hi innocent tha.
But the first guy you talked to, you got in a relationship.
Yeah, I was really
So
like,
girl school.
it was so stupid.
Even
Yeah, exactly.
I was like,
It's a
मैंने आपसे
canon
बात,
event.
yeah, मैंने आपसे बात कर ली है तो आप अब मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड हो. And he's like,
अकेले
"ठीक है."
में बात किया.
अकेले में मैंने आपसे DM किया है मैंने. प्लीज यार.
पहले तो आपका रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट किया है, तो तब तो
मैंने-
मतलब वो तो दैट इज बात पक्की लेवल.
बात पक्की लेवल हो गई है हमारी. That's true. कल आप मुझे मस्जिद में मिलो, हमने कहा.
Muslim था?
Muslim था, of course. Yeah.
इसीलिए you did.
Yeah. Also back then the mindset was very कि Muslim.
अपने अपने में.
अभी भी यही mindset है.
अगर उसका मुंह मोचा है तो no.
No.
He has to be Muslim. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Wow.
I got it from my dad.
What the fuck? But I'll tell you something I did off social media for attention. And it's like one of the most embarrassing things that I've done. Not most, but okay, fine. Like I said कि मैं college जाके पागल हो गई थी. correct? तो
ये
मैं
तो नई दुनिया है.
Exactly. And then people also don't react the way I react because my reaction is too much कि oh लड़के ने आपको birthday party में बुला लिया. But for them it was like वो मेरा
हाँ भाई.
बचपन का दोस्त है actually.
वो actually मेरा cousin है.
वो मेरा cousin है यार. I'm like oh आपकी शादी हो रही है. अरे यार, क्या हो रहा है यार?
आपकी मंगनी होगी.
आपकी मंगनी है मंगनी. Which is something that we did in school में हमारी मंगनी हो जाती थी यार. We come from different. The vibe is
The
only
vibe is
different.
only different.
भाई आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा. तो basically मैं जब college school, so I wanted a very different persona. Like this person is
Yeah,
different.
that's very true.
So I was like मेरा नाम भी अलग है. तो मैंने अलग नाम दे दिया था लोगों को.
ओहो.
So my name is pronounced Sumaira. And I in college started telling all my new college people it's Sumaira.
I literally asked Maitri. I was like, is it Sumaira? Is it Sumaira?
I have started this. And it
okay.
hasn't ended because now the two people, college people, school people, comic people, they don't know what is real, what is not real. my relatives don't know what's real. It's Sumaira. I started it when I was 17. When I was like, no, my name is Sumaira Shayak. Actually, Shayak didn't stick, but Sumaira really
yeah.
stuck. So now everyone's like Sumaira.
believable.
Yeah. But then my school friends met once. My college friends were called me Sumaira, and my school friends were like, no, she's
kaun hai?
Sumaira. And then they both were just like, no, she is Sumaira. And they were like, no, she is Sumaira. We know. And then also I did this thing very briefly, okay, for a month or two in college. Just very embarrassing. But I was like, नहीं मुझे भी हिंदी सही से नहीं आती.
Oh.
And then my school friends were like, इसको English सही से नहीं आती. ये बैंगलोर क्या कर रही है जय हिंद जाके भाई. मेरे स्कूल फ्रेंड्स मुझसे बात करना बंद कर दिया. And I completely understand. They were like, तू बहुत cringe हो गई है भाई.
But you have to go through the cringe phase.
No, but then you tried being very sober, like, नहीं मुझे तो हिंदी नहीं आती.
भाई,
I only talk in English.
Yeah. Because there were a lot of people in Jain who were like, हमारा हिंदी कच्चा
कच्चा
है,
है.
driver. Like they were genuinely that. And I was like, मैं भी actually. And they were like, तू डोंगरी वापस जाती है.
मेरा ड्राइवर ना वो गली के नाके पे खड़ा रहता है.
भाई तू बस स्टॉप पे 45 लेती है.
Yes. Literally. It's yeah.
Yeah.
So-
we connect on the 45.
45, 135, 135 नहीं है, but
135 अभी भी है.
135 अभी भी. Oh God, I loved 135.
We, Zia and I were 45.
यार
hoes.
फिर से तू डॉक्स कर रही है हमें.
लंबा रूट है उसका बहन.
अच्छा ठीक है चल जो भी है. ठीक है चल. मान-
चालू तो तूने किया.
अरे यार ठीक है. More things we've done for attention.
Let's go.
Guys, college.
Oh.
एक मिस्टेक हो गई थी मेरे से सेकेंड ईयर में. मुझे करना था फेस्ट राइट एंड आई वाज गुड एट इट. आई विल नॉट इवन I'll shamelessly tell you everything I participated in I was really good.
That's nice.
Okay, I wanted to do Mr. and Miss whatever.
Nice.
Okay, the problem is now I don't have talent. I can speak, I can do the personality, ठीक है. I can do a catwalk because you know I stand out. मेरी जैसी लड़कियां नहीं कर रही है, right? So मैं कुछ भी कचरा भी कर आ जाऊँ, जज एकदम बिल्कुल representation, बाप रे.
हगी है तो भी कॉन्फिडेंस में हगी
हाँ
है.
भाई
Confidence
कॉन्फिडेंस के
में-
10 मार्क्स.
हाँ.
भाई मैं बोल रही हूँ, half the thing was just representation. Like people judges were like, you're so confident. Wow. Love
like
it.
that.
कैसे कर लेती हो?
Nice.
हमारे टाइम पे तो ये सब नहीं होता था.
Nice.
ठीक है. और वो पर्सनालिटी मैं सॉर्ट कर लेती थी, बट टैलेंट नहीं था मेरा कोई परफॉर्मिंग. तो आई यूज्ड टू लाइक रिसाइट लाइक Nicki Minaj raps and everything.
Nice.
Okay. So then we figured out, okay, we can make me do rap, but I can't rhyme for shit. So for like a good 2 years, I had a ghostwriter, and I used to perform those verses, and I would call it like my original verses, but it was not. It was really not. Like we had people that wrote for me. I mean, shout out Fluid, I guess. Shout out Dhruv. Bro, he wrote a lot of things for me, and that's how I like won. But that was utterly out of attention.
This is so
That is
funny.
the only thing.
This is so funny.
There is
Gonna
evidence
be
on
so
YouTube.
successful, you know, because you can exploit people.
I know.
Yeah.
There is evidence on YouTube, by the way.
What?
Yeah, there is an anthem for my college fest
Nice.
that I have a verse on,
Yeah.
And it's just there.
and it's there.
It's
like,
just there now for
But did
everyone
you-
to watch.
Oh, did you pay these people?
no, nah, it was fest and everything.
No, fest is
Ah.
pure free
Yeah,
labor.
tell
course, of
her
course.
about
What?
the
What music?
music producer for that anthem.
Oh, that's the craziest thing, right?
What?
That's the
Yeah.
craziest thing. So the whole song was produced by college alumni and college committee.
हाँ.
है ना? तो I did not know this, but there was a team of like the music team and then me for some reason, because मुझे ये आता था और मैं event जीत कर आई हूँ, तो मेरा भी एक verse रहेगा. The beat, in a crazy coincidence, has been made by Srushti's ex.
मैं नहीं तो कौन पे?
No. That's really funny. That is really funny. That's killer. It's not that. But you've not heard this song, yaar. You've not heard this song. Maybe you have. No, you've
No,
not.
she's not.
You've not. Her ex of like
First ever.
her first ever ex.
First ever ex.
Man is uncle. He was in masters when I was in second year.
Wait.
Exactly.
Wait.
She started way early.
She sa-
So she has the most knowledge now amongst the four of us.
So this guy, in a crazy coincidence, has made the beat that I have a verse on. And guys, how do you explain this? This is cosmic timing.
That is true. And then you guys, of course, know each other back then.
Yeah.
So he would not make eye contact with me.
And he wouldn't be there when she was like rehearsing or like writing,
Yeah.
right? He was the backhand person. तो मतलब वो अपने घर से या किधर और से काम कर रहा है. और फिर जब मालूम पड़ा कि ये बंदा है, like एक second, what the fuck just happened?
So
Yeah,
you
it was
already ex था कि
Ex ही
Already
था.
था. अरे उसका first.
School में.
school?
Yeah.
Wait.
When I mean she started early, she started way early.
स्कूल का जो एक्स था वो बड़ा होकर के
और बड़ा हो गया.
और बड़ा हो
बहुत
गया.
बड़ा हो गया.
बस कर, ये सब नहीं दिखाते नंबर वंबर.
हाँ, नहीं मैं
नहीं, वो कौन से स्टैंडर्ड का बता रही थी.
अच्छा ओके. तो हाँ, ये सीन था. एंड ब्रो, हम मतलब वी वर्क लाइक आई हैव सीन हिम इन द कॉरिडोर फॉयर में, देखा था उसको. वी नेवर एक्नॉलेज्ड this ever.
And
he's
we
gonna
both
follow.
had an understanding,
Yeah.
but we never acknowledged it because
Nice.
he knew that I was best friends with her.
Of course.
And
yeah.
he's seen us in her society way more often, with her, without her, just going to her house. So he knows that we know.
He knows. This is a love letter to you.
Bro, don't talk about fucking love letters. I have trauma.
Okay,
हमको
sorry.
मेरे पापा ने उसका लव लेटर पकड़ा था मेरे बैग में, और वैसे ही मतलब मालूम पड़ा कि हमारा कुछ चल रहा है, फिर उसको मारा वारा, मेरे को भी थोड़ा सा डांटा चल रहा है.
What is happening?
No. If you come from a very conservative family like you and I, you know how to fucking hide shit.
That's
Yep.
That's true.
So this should
You
have never
wouldn't-
happened to me. I can't speak for you, has it?
No. No, getting caught is not an option.
Not an option. Exactly.
Next you'll be signing his nikah now. Come on.
Cousinों की line लगी है.
Kazno. That's why you're Kazno. Urdu in English. Urdu in English. Writer की कमी नहीं है.
Writer की कमी नहीं है. So that's I
That's
think
insane. dude.
So I have always loved attention.
Right,
I
right,
was
right.
the only girl child in the family.
Nice.
Others all boys. So एकदम लाड प्यार में एक अकेली बच्ची है. And then comes my younger brother. My लाड प्यार goes. And then I'm like, भाई अब तो बाहर से attention ढूंढना पड़ेगा. Boys के पीछे थोड़ा थोड़ा जाना
तो आपने
पड़ेगा.
टीचर को
this is literally a play by play on what happened.
Yeah.
This is exactly how it happened.
Fully.
Yeah.
But at that time it's still very innocent only. It's very like love letter and all
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Sweet.
So I used to like not be like one of those girls who are like, oh, you're so funny. I like hanging out with you and all of that, because it was just not me. I laugh at their jokes.
Right.
Even if I don't understand and I find them cute, I sometimes laugh. But I will not give them the validation that, oh yeah, like I am going to laugh at all of your jokes.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah,
you
like
shouldn't.
once in a while I'll be like, what the fuck has happened to you?
Yeah, that's
बीमार है क्या भाई?
You gotta keep them on their toes.
100%.
वो मुझे नहीं समझ वो कॉन्सेप्ट अब तक नहीं समझा है मुझे.
Keep them guessing.
वो गर्ल स्कूल वाली बात आ जाती है फिर से. मुझे आता नहीं इनके आसपास रहना.
No, it is true. Huh? I mean,
Yeah.
I've very recently gotten comfortable around boys, and I'm 30 years old. So it took 21 years old. 21 years लगे मुझे 30 साल लगे.
What were you like when you were my age?
21. 21 I was a comic, and I was interning with AIB.
Yo,
That's huge.
great.
man.
No, I
That's
can
huge.
tell.
That's great.
I can tell. And anyone that has come from AIB is just instantly funny.
Yeah.
Instantly
And
successful.
automatically
Yeah.
already refined in
Yeah.
some shape or form.
Yeah. So I was interning with them, and then I was already doing mics. So I was doing like stand up, and then I was writing fiction as well. So I was trying to do everything I can to like survive this industry because it's so unstable. Yeah, I mean, basically that. But I see you guys, and you guys are way more confident than I was back then. So that's a good
Thank you so
thing.
much.
Thank
Like
you.
it's and don't like lose this. Like that's because back, I mean, generation का नहीं फर्क है, but still like I feel like boys have it very naturally at a young age also, and they never second like guess themselves. So
Yeah.
like I don't think you guys should ever second guess yourself. Like this is very good that you have this podcast. It's a very good, and you guys have built it literally from like
The ground.
zero to
That's
ground.
sweet.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm genuinely you guys please
Have the confidence of a man. Even like we have a lot of young girls actually watching this,
Yeah.
and it's so true, man. Like you talk to like a middle-aged dude who has like the most basic job in the world, and he will describe it as if like, oh, I run this company.
Right.
Like, I'm the shit.
I am the shit. They can't lose me. And when you talk to a woman who's actually running the company, she's like, what if I don't get a raise? Like it's all guys. There is going to be a time where women are going to make more money than men.
Bro, but
Then
honestly,
probably the time is now. I
yeah.
feel.
yeah.
But again, Sumaira said all of this to us. I do not care jack shit about you all. अब दो कि जितना गाली देना है मेरे को घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I'm very happy because I used to watch her since Comic Stan. And then and then during CPL was like I'm a fan.
Oh,
Sold.
absolutely.
Sold.
Absolutely.
I love bro. Brazil la. Too fucking good. Too fucking. Can you tell them?
The joke. The
Yeah.
Brazil-
Do you remember it?
I don't. Wait, I'll tell you.
The
I
waxing
think the
wala.
waxing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Please tell me what it was.
Yeah. So.
अब इतने सारे हैं कि कौन सा याद रखूं
मुझे
भाई?
समझ ही नहीं आ रहा ये
यार।
plagiarism है या नहीं.
So they are doing a set, okay? Her and Sumuki, they are doing a set. And they were talking about it. I think it was improv.
हाँ.
And they were talking about how like distressed women are.
हाँ.
And then she is talking about मेरे वजाइना के इतने ब्राजीलियन वैक्सेस हो गए कि मेरा क्वीफ भी है ब्राजील ला 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 ला.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so good.
Bro, I have paused the video and I'm laughing like proper 20 minutes. I was just sitting and laughing.
Samara, how did you think of that?
Thank you so much.
And that was
is
improv,
so
if I'm not
funny.
wrong.
It's not. It was written. It was a written joke. But the thing is that it was Tanmay, Rohan Joshi, Sumukhi Suresh, and I. We were in a team together, and it was all a group effort. I don't know which joke was written by whom, but most, matlab, yeah, I think we all sort of wrote sets with each other.
That is a
Yeah.
dream blunt rotation.
Dream plant rotation.
Like that is fantastic. I want to be in this blunt rotation sober.
Yeah, I don't mind. I don't want to forget any single moment.
I just want to watch.
Yeah, we'll sit at the side and we'll just be like, you all do your thing.
Yeah, CPL was a dream moment for me because I went from like these people being my first bosses to like being in their team. And like even Sumukhi being like my boss when I was writing fiction, Pushpavali, the first time, and then like I'm just like in their team like chilling. I was 25 at that time and I'm like, yeah, I mean, I guess मेरा opinion ये है, तुमको क्या लगता है?
That's so validating, man. I can't even imagine.
Yeah, it was quite daunting, but also like really nice. I really had like a good time doing CPL. So yeah, I genuinely that set had one more joke which was about कि मैंने skin whitening के लिए
हाँ, नींबू रगड़े यहाँ पे.
इतने नींबू रगड़े कि लोग टकीला के बाद मेरे बगल चाट जाते हैं.
I'm telling you, bro. We have to today. Let's go and start watching CPL
I've
again.
watched it, but मुझे अभी इतना ढंग से याद
याद
नहीं
नहीं
है.
है.
I've watched the
The
entire
thing is,
show.
I keep watching.
Oh,
I keep going back.
Thank you.
But like even I've done wacky shit in college. Wacky for me back then. Now when अभी मैं points मिल रही थी तो I'm like भाई ये क्यों किया मैंने? किसी को झाटा फर्क नहीं पड़ा मैंने जो किया. But for like I said, it was for me.
Yeah.
It was like सारी दुनिया मुझे देख रही है. भले वो मेरे को दो लोगों को पता भी नहीं कि मैं रूम में हूँ.
Right.
And so when I joined my college committee, I was in the department that external अभी नाम भी याद नहीं छोड़. But my department was such that I had to be around the fests at all times. Like my job wasn't just to be at one place. Like I had to go to the Regi desk,
She was like
admin
a
desk,
POC.
this that. So like इससे बात करनी है, फिर इससे बात करके ये communicate वहाँ करना है. तो I was given a walkie.
Oh, nice.
And I've always had the dream कि भाई एक बार जिंदगी में बस एक बार मुझे वॉकी चाहिए, मुझे वो व्हाट्सअप चाहिए.
Nice.
एंड देन मुझे हम फेस्ट के दिन सुबह पहुंचे, हमको वॉकी से साइन हो रहे. मैंने बोला सीपी जाए भाड़ में, मेरे पास वॉकी है बेंचो, मैं सीपी.
Nice.
बाकी दुनिया मेरे को जो बोले, मेरे पास वॉकी है, मैं कहीं भी एंटर कर सकती हूँ, कभी भी एग्जिट कर सकती हूँ. और मैंने वो 3 दिन
CPS chairperson. है?
chairperson.
Yeah.
chairperson. I was like, मेरी वॉकिंग में मुझे कोई बुला भी नहीं रहा है. Nobody is even
Actually.
calling out to me saying come in. Nobody is saying इससे कुछ काम है. मुझे किसी से कम्युनिकेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
You have a walkie.
I just have a walkie. I have
Yeah.
it
You
all.
have power. You
I
have
have power. And I have enjoyed that power for 3 days so much.
Yeah.
Oh my god, just give me a walkie now. Even if I see someone on the road or like when I go to other fests and I see a walkie, I'm like, मुझे दे दे please 5 minute के लिए.
He's like, I had a walkie too, but I never got to fucking wear it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is I cannot relate to any of this. For
Because
me,
you were not lame.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry यार.
It is a little bit lame. Guys, now, like, looking back in hindsight, fests
Yeah.
are just a little bit
Yeah,
lame. To be
very
in it,
lame.
to, like,
To be
do
a part.
the organizing,
Yeah.
it's little...
That's
Yeah.
true. I mean, now you feel it is, but I feel it's fine to enjoy
At the
that.
time,
Of
it was
course, of course.
fantastic.
Yeah.
Did you
Yeah.
do any?
No, I didn't.
Because she was not lame.
I was
she
too,
never
too
was.
hot.
Arre.
I mean, I could tell.
But your college had...
I could tell.
Your college had a great fest, though.
We did. Jai Hind had okay, so I'll tell you one thing. I was too cool in my head. That's the thing. I didn't... Okay, this also happened with me, where for attention, I thought मैं इतनी cool हूँ और मैं इतना judge करती थी अपने आप को for doing everything because I was so like on my guard and like also, okay, this is very weird to say, but also like my college people were all either very chill or from places where मैं मिली नहीं हूँ लोगों से.
Yes.
Yeah, like अंधेरी से आ रहा है कोई and
Yeah,
stuff,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So I didn't want to say I'm from Dongri for some reason.
No,
I just didn't want to. I had little bit of shame, so I had so much कि मैं इतना judge करती थी कि मैं कुछ करती ही नहीं थी. तो like now, of course, if I'm in college, I would explore doing stand up in college. I would explore joining a committee. Like, but otherwise, back then मैंने जय हिंद में तो ऐसे अपने साल गुजारे हैं कि मैं of course बहुत ही मतलब cool हूँ. मैं इतनी cool हूँ कि मैं nonchalant. मैं बहुत nonchalant.
मैं
So you were
mysterious हूँ.
nonchalant
मैं
before
mysterious हूँ.
nonchalance was cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Dude.
मैं बहुत ही nonchalant हूँ. मतलब
That's
आप
crazy.
मर गए मेरे सामने. I don't care.
You do you, babe.
I don't care. मैं ऐसे चले जाऊंगी ऐसे. And then later on, I'll be like, oh my god, I was understand. Oh shit. But I can't show emotions in Jai Hind.
You cannot show
You
emotions.
can't.
Right? That's Hogwarts, right?
Every single person that I've seen during my college years, deadpan face.
Yeah.
And they all
Yeah.
look so similar
yeah.
that you feel like ये सब एक ही
घर से आते हैं.
बिल्डिंग से आए हैं और सबने सेम पर्सनालिटी डेवलप की है ओवर द इयर्स और सब अब एक वापस सेम कॉलेज में आए
But
Right,
they're nice
absolutely,
people. I have some friends from Jai Hind, and they're
They're
really
nice people.
No, absolutely. I'm
They're
not
very
saying that
nice
bad
I
people.
am of the firm belief that you should not be ashamed of your parents' money. Don't be ashamed of your parents'
course
money. It's
not.
fine.
Of course
Absolutely.
not.
I love rich people.
I love rich. Yeah, now.
Because
Yeah.
I get it. Matlab, it's not your fault that you were born this way.
Yeah, it's
Not
absolutely
at all.
not.
Not at all. Also, Bombay rich people are chill.
Yeah.
Bombay
I've
rich
seen
people are chill.
Pune rich people and I've seen Delhi rich people.
They're different. Yeah.
They're very different.
Shots fired.
They're very different. You know, we'd go clubbing and Pune rich people, like the
Yeah.
people that I hang out
Yeah.
with, they fucking wear polos, bro. They'll wear fucking Fred Perry and they are wearing their Burberry to what fucking club?
Oh my god. Armani.
Yeah.
No,
Gucci.
No.
The Gucci t-shirt here.
It's Armani Exchange.
Oh my god.
वो करते भी नहीं exchange but
तू exchange करते
क्लॉक
भाई.
कर दी भाई इसने सारे पुणे वालों की टी क्लॉक कर दी है
My god, but it's so true. What else? They wear what's that?
Oh, I'm pretty
They're gonna wear Yeezys. Yeezys for sure.
I can also see Jordans.
If not Yeezys, then it's gonna be some designer shoes only.
yeah.
The girls, I'll tell you exactly. The girls will have a MK bag or a Coach bag. Or a
Don't
Coach
say I
bag.
like
with-
those.
Coach is
I'm
great,
telling
but you gotta have taste with
Yes.
Coach.
Yeah, I'm telling you
Yes.
which Coach bag. Okay, not the plain ones with like C everywhere.
Like like MK does it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like MK. Either the MK or the Coach. And it I don't know for what reason and for why it will have a silver thing.
Strap, yeah. I
It
know what you
won't
mean.
have a golden.
I
It
know
will
what
have
you
a
mean.
silver
Silver
one.
one.
अरे वो मे भी सिल्वर गर्ल ही है यार
तो चुप रहे.
Yeah, you should shut up.
And they'll wear like
you give damn like Delhi right now.
She's wow.
Yeah.
yeah, and they'll wear something which is like heavily printed. If they
Yeah,
they are
yeah.
wearing
Printed or sequin.
Yeah.
Like big sequin.
Yeah.
sequin.
No, but I also recently, after Succession came out and it became like a huge hit, people started talking about stealth wealth,
Yes.
which is that the actually rich people like to wear none of the brands. that
Brands,
we
yeah,
share.
it's like a
silent fashion.
plain black
Yes.
t-shirt
I
and
love
jeans.
silent fashion.
Yes.
Money talks, wealth whispers.
But let me just one point. I mean, the only person who I'm like, अरे क्या लग रहा है यार, with all the LV and the Gucci is Diljit Dosanjh.
Yeah.
Whenever-
Diljit can get it.
Whenever I
he
see
wears
him,
it
I'm so happy.
did you go for his concert
I didn't get the tickets, yeah.
Arre, shit.
I didn't. Did you guys go?
I did
It was good. No,
It was so good. It was really good.
he's
Play
so good.
Clash.
I
I
love
love
him.
him. He's so
Diljit.
funny.
I love him.
Alexa play Kalash by Diljit Dosanjh obsessed with that clip
I love him. You know, on Coffee with Karan, him and Badshah were doing fashion. Like, so
Yeah.
Karan Johar was like bringing out clothes and they were like guessing ki ye Gucci with cheer and all.
Yeah.
And Diljit like got like
All
itna
of them.
jaldi, like Prada and all. I'm like, I love this man. I love this
Diljit
man.
is the only new money man that we accept.
Except, yeah,
Yeah.
but a lot of new money. Like, इतना सारा नया पैसा.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah,
But
so-
it's also we see him as like an instant success. He's been
Of course.
slogging his ass off
Of
for
course, of course.
decades before
Of course,
that.
of course, yeah. So I'm saying that there are some people who can pull off like good fashion.
Name
as
one
in-
man that can pull off Armani Exchange, babe.
Diljit, babe.
Other
Ranveer
than
Singh.
Diljit.
Other than Diljit.
Other than Diljit.
I
okay.
see Ranveer
Ranveer
Singh,
Singh.
yes.
Ranveer
Because
Singh.
he has that persona. He's made that persona of him that he's gonna wear wacky outfits.
Yeah,
So if he doesn't, it's gonna like, "Ye kya pehen kya hai?"
Right.
I
right.
love Ranveer Singh.
Absolutely. For his
Ranveer
fashion, yeah.
Singh can.
So,
That-
this is one
sorry.
thing. Yeah.
I think
That's what they do simply for attention.
Yeah.
I just clocked that. I just clocked that. I'm so sorry. They're just doing that for attention, guys. They
Yeah.
don't think that this item of clothing is comfortable.
Right, right,
Yeah.
right,
Yeah.
right.
Anyway, continue. I'm so sorry. I cut both of you off.
It's okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, I have also faked being tipsy. Like there's a very funny instance to that, and the thing is that we all have gone out. Our uni people, we used to go clubbing almost every other alternate weekend, and at that time, no, the set was playing like really terrible songs in the beginning. So I was like, no, I'm not having fun. I'm not having fun. So then I went. I got 3 shots, and my capacity is 2 shots. I had 3 shots, and by that time, all my friends are like, "Bro, how are you not drunk yet?" I'm like, yeah, no, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. And just like to have fun or to like make them believe that yeah, I'm also on the same page, because मुझे FOMO हो रहा था उनको देख के कि भाई ये कितना मजा हो रहा है
Right,
बंड हो गए
right, right,
मुझे
right.
नहीं हो रहा, I'm not on the fucking same page. Then I like try
Just
to
behaved like it.
yeah behave like fully tipsy and like इधर उधर गिर रही हूँ, हंस रही हूँ, पढ़ रही हूँ, and so people didn't realize
That you're not actually tipsy.
yeah. And one of the couple, which was not out in the open, that oh they are a thing,
And they start.
they started making out in front of me.
because they thought that you won't remember.
Yes.
What a undercover shit. What you
And
are.
I just go run to my best friend. I'm like, do you know what happened?
Oh wow.
This is very cool. If this happen, I mean, this is one of those कि मैं सो नहीं रही हूँ but मैं सारी बातें सुन रही हूँ.
सुन
Like
रही हूँ.
Yeah.
That's me too.
that's too.
I also love doing that because,
Always.
believe it or not, I have this perception that people have about me that they find that I'm very dumb, and that works out perfectly for me.
Right, right,
Because I've been in groups where people will say things and they'll think कि इसको तो नहीं समझेगा.
right.
It's such a good power move. Like, you know everyone's shit.
Right.
Because you can clock their shit very easily, but you just don't show them.
That's true. Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
Think I'm dumb, it's great. I am an airhead.
Yeah.
You know? Like,
Yeah.
I'm really dumb, guys. Really, I don't get it. I don't.
It is true. A lot of people think that people are like, especially women, go through this. But they're
Yeah.
like, oh ये तो dumb होगी. But it's ये कला है basically कि आपने सीख लिया कि मतलब मुझे गुस्सा आता था पहले. And then I also started just going yeah I am dumb. But I did it much later in life. But you are saving a lot of time.
Yeah.
Really?
By
Good.
doing
Maybe
it.
till I'm your age, I'll learn something new.
Yeah. Then
We'll talk then.
Then we'll talk then.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. Like my ex used to be like, तुम कितनी dumb हो, and I used to be like, नहीं मैं dumb नहीं हूँ, and now I'm like, of course बोल देना चाहिए ना भाई.
औरत हूँ मैं यार.
ठीक है भाई, तू ही कर,
ये
तू
तो
ही.
पहले से ही पता होना चाहिए था तुझे.
Yeah, correct. तू ही logistics handle करना, मैं क्यों करूँ?
Logistics.
Bro, how are you doing
How are you
this?
doing this? Are you like Suhani? You know Suhani?
Swani,
reader.
yeah.
You're reading all of our minds right now, bro.
Yeah, I work in the logistics industry.
Oh, I didn't know this.
Yeah.
Sorry, I said it also looking at her.
Yeah,
Which is
exactly.
insane. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking? Red color. No.
Yes.
Red, yes.
So we have this segment on our show where we ask our very kind guest to show us the most useless thing in their bag. So, do you have something for us?
What am I carrying? I'm carrying just lipsticks actually.
Where's your bag? You can rummage through it, maybe.
Yeah, you might find gold.
Guys, this is everyone's favorite segment. Wait, we need a jingle for this. What's
No,
What's
that's-
the most useless thing in my bag?
In my bag.
Okay, I really hope I find something. I don't think I will. Okay, I tell you, I always have Band-Aid. It's not useless. But I always carry. For some reason, मुझे shoe bite एक बार हुआ था and then I now carry 10
अब उससे PTSD हो गया.
a PTSD.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
always
yeah.
have Band-Aid. I'm
When
carrying
someone
Over there.
trauma dumps you, just hand them. This is all I can do for you.
this is all. I have lipstick. I have 10 रुपए मेरे
Lipstick,
पास.
she says as she removes 10
10
rupees,
rupees,
and 10 rupees she removes as she says lipstick.
Lipstick gloss.
Oh, you're a Fenty
combination.
girl.
I am a Fenty.
You are a Fenty girl. So did you buy that once it came to India, or
Both. So there are two versions of. So I one my friend got me as a gift,
Huh.
and the other one I just repurchased it when it came to India.
but that's a fucking amazing gloss.
Yeah,
I
Yeah,
love
that's
Fenty.
great.
Everything that Fenty makes.
Give it to me.
it's very very good.
But you're so like ergonomic with this stuff. Like you don't
Yeah.
have trash in it.
I don't like carrying anything that I don't need. So it's just
Wow.
charger, gloss,
wow.
money, and headphones.
You clean your bags, matlab.
Yeah, this is not my bag. Like my actual. That's why I was coming for the podcast. So this is not like my work bag. Otherwise, it'll have 2,000 sunscreens,
Yeah.
5,000 lip balms. It's my real bag has all of that shit. It'll have my birth certificate. It'll have
That's
everything.
where it is. But we do ask all of the nice viewers that have stayed for this long to give us an emoji. So can you give them an emoji to comment down so we know that they watch up until this point?
Oh, okay. I was not prepared for this.
Any emoji. What's your favorite?
What is my favorite? I like actually the heart emoji the most.
Red.
Any color. I actually search for colors also. I'm like, what color will I give this person? White. You get white. You get like
What color would you give us?
yellow.
Friendship.
Yes, a yellow definitely. You guys feel like a bright and happy and like
Yay.
yes, like I genuinely loved hanging out with you guys.
Thank
so
you so much. We loved it too.
Thank you.
Genuinely, it
So
was-
much fun.
Thank you so much for like giving your time to us,
Yeah.
and knowing that you're in this game for like 9 years.
Yeah.
But I was home today, so
But still, it is always amazing to like hang around and talk to people that know the industry so well, because we are so new, and we've received nothing but love
Yeah.
from the comic community.
Yeah.
So
we've had
far,
so far, yeah.
it's been beautiful, and you were no less. Thank you so
Thank you
much
so much.
you
Thank
for
you.
coming on
This
here.
is crazy.
Do you want to tell them how to find you, where they can find you, what you've been up to?
Upcoming shows if you
Upcoming
have any.
shows.
I do keep touring, and so all that information, whatever I'm up to, you'll actually get it on my Instagram, because that's the one way to communicate to the world. So just follow me on Instagram, please. My @is my name only. So
Yeah, BBM also, if they can find you. What was your name?
Man, it was Sumaira, whatever, Shayak. It was SHAYK.
Oh my god.
It was, yeah, but now it's gone, and I really do regret like losing that memory. I did try logging back in, but BBM is no longer there. Like it's
Yeah.
all been a
It doesn't-
it is, but like it's so nobody uses it.
Yeah.
Right.
And I'm assuming you can access BBM through a BlackBerry phone or
Like
like
BlackBerry.
Yeah.
I think वो change हुआ था बीच में. I think app बना था उसका, but nobody
For
cared.
what?
Nobody cares, yeah.
Nobody
Exactly.
cared.
Anyway, so while you guys are on YouTube, guys, comment a yellow heart before you go. And yeah, we hope you enjoyed this episode. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with all of your friends who love Sumaira, love Sumaira's work, or just your girlfriends who just like having a nice laugh.
Yes. And if you're listening to us on Spotify, don't forget to give us a good rating. We just need 5 stars, so
Yeah,
do it.
do it.
And
Do
if
it for
you're wa-
attention.
If you're watching us on Reels, make sure you send it to your friends who follow her, who like her a lot. Make sure you follow her. And if you've not been following us,
What are you doing?
What? I mean, just
You're
do
missing
it.
out. Follow us on Instagram, guys.
Yes.
At We Are Beshram.
At We Are Bishop. And
Until
until
next
next
time,
time,
stay
Beshara.